Hi there! In this video, I will guide you through the process of withdrawing your profit to your bank account or to your PayPal. At Sellvia, managing your account balance is very easy. Let's go through it step by step. When a customer adds an item to their shopping cart, proceeds to checkout, fills in all the necessary fields, and pays for it, the money they paid accumulates in your account balance. Once your account balance exceeds $100 and all of your orders are processed, you can withdraw your money in two ways: to your PayPal account or to your bank account via bank transfer. Simply choose your preferred option and click on it. If you have selected PayPal as your payment method, you will need to enter your email address. Click the Confirm button. Alternatively, if you have chosen the bank transfer option, you need to enter all the details of your checking or savings account. Click the Confirm button. Once you have done this, you will see a confirmation message for your request and the money will be deposited to your bank account shortly after. Additionally, in the account balance section, you can track the history of all the transactions in your account, including purchases and previous money withdrawals. It's that simple. Thank you for taking time to review this guide, and please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions.